Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys three websites where you can get your non-VoIP numbers for any country. If you are looking for a site where you can get a one-time number for verification on any site, so this video is for you. All you need to do is just pay attention and follow everything I'm about to show you in this video. So without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. So go to your Chrome browser. Now once you're on your Chrome browser, the first site I'm going to be introducing to you guys is smsboa.app. It's very easy. I will leave the link to all the sites on the description of this video. Now this is how the SMS BOA interface looks like. You need to sign up. Once you click on the link I will be dropping in the description of this video, it will take you to a page where you sign up with your email address and then follow the instructions given to you. Now once you are done signing up, this is how this interface looks like. So once you are on the interface, you can see we have numbers and we have emails. You can buy numbers, you can also buy temporary emails from this site. Now once you are successfully open an account, you need to add funds. You need to deposit some money inside the account, so that's anytime you want to request for a code, they will charge from the balance. So how can you now make deposit? You pay through crypto or you pay through card. Now to make deposit, you just need to click on this add funds. So once you click on add funds, you can see it said the minimum payment amount is $2.5. That means you can only deposit from $2.5 upward on this particular site. You can see they accept crypto, e-wallet, bank cards, promo codes. You understand? So I would advise you use cryptocurrency. If you don't know how to do cryptocurrency transaction, I'm going to leave. Just check the top of this video. A video will pop up there. Click on it and it is going to take you to a video guide on how to do crypto transactions. You understand? It is better you know how to do these things yourself than paying some people to help you do it. You understand? So once you input the figure, let's say you want to deposit $2.5, which they say is the minimum. And once you click it, you can see it said they are going to charge you commission of $0.025 from the 2.5 you are about to deposit. Then you click on add funds. Now once you click on add funds, you can see it's going to take you to this page. Now if you are on this page, you need to select the cryptocurrency. Click on here, this place that you add currency, click on it, and you need to select LTC or BNB, any of the crypto of your choice. But I like using LTC because they have the lowest transaction fee. You understand? Just click on LTC. Kindly watch the video on how to do the crypto transaction. I will leave the link on the description of this video. Also check the top corner of this video. You understand? So you click on, after you select the crypto, you click on proceed payment. Now once you are done funding your wallet, let's assume I've already funded my wallet. So I'll go back to the home page. So I'll just go back to my home page and then show you guys how to purchase the number. Now once you are done successfully depositing money in your account, now let's say you want to pick a number for PayPal verification. Any verification, just search for it here. Come here and tap on it, then you search. Let's say I want to verify PayPal. I'll just click on PayPal. You can see it has appeared. Then you tap on it. Now once you select the service you want to use the number for, you scroll down. Now here you have to select the country. You can see we have United Kingdom, and you can see the number is being sold at $0.021. You can see. So you can see the different countries. You can choose for different countries. You have number for Germany, USA, different type of country, even Canada, you can see them, even Australia. You understand? So you select, let's say I want to buy for Australia, I'll just click on Australia. Understand? So you can see for Australia the price is differs. You can see 0 point something. So let's say you want to verify, let's say 5 surveys. You can see it here. Then you select it. Now you select the country. You can see the only country available. Okay, let it finish loading. Okay, sorry, I made mistake. 5 surveys. All right, look at it here. Now you select the country. You can see they only have for the 5 survey, they only have US number available for only 5 surveys. So you can check, go through the app. Now once you select the number, let's say for example now I want to buy number. Just once you select the country you need, you just click on buy. Say I don't have balance. Okay, I need to top up. Okay, let me see if I can be able to buy for PayPal. Okay, let's say, all right, now once you click on buy number, automatically it's going to show you like this. You can see now the number is going to be assigned to you. You can see the number. I copy it and go and use it on the site you want to use it. Now once you request for code, the code will appear here. You can see they said code will be here. So once they send code, it will appear here. You copy the code and then you verify whatsoever you want to verify. So that's about that. That's about this smsboa.app. Now the second site I will be introducing to you guys is this smspool.net. Note, these apps I'm mentioning, these sites I'm mentioning, they have their app, so you can download their apps. You understand? You can go to your Play Store or App Store and download the apps. Now on the SMS pool, you need to sign up. Now once you sign up, I'm also going to leave the link to this one on the description of this video. So once you sign up, the same thing, you need to head over here, this particular place I'm pointing, click on it, and it's going to pop up these options here. Now you have to deposit for any site you sign up on. You have to deposit, so you click on deposit. Now once you click on deposit, it's going to take you to this page. Now you are using cryptocurrency for payment. Since you are using cryptocurrency for payment, you leave it on cryptocurrency. If yours is not on cryptocurrency, you select cryptocurrency. Then now country, you leave it the way it is. Don't select any country. Now here that the right cryptocurrency, you come over here and select LTC. Now here, one thing I like about this one, you can see their own minimum deposit is what? $2. A minimum deposit of $2 in LTC is required. So you can only send from $2 upward worth of LTC to this address. You just copy the address. Look at the address being given. This is the address. Just copy the address and then you send in the LTC. So once it's reflect, your balance will be updated. Now once you have finished depositing, you head over to here again. You tap on it and then you click on order. You understand? Click on order here. Click on order. So once you click on order, it will take you to this place. Now here, the first option here, you select the country you want to buy the number for. Then the service, now you search for it. The same thing we did on the other side, just that this one is different. Then you search for the this one. I think this side they don't have PayPal numbers, but they have almost all the number. You can even get your Interpol number here. You can see once you type in, then you can see what they say. It range from 0.14 for each number, and it's just one time number. Now one thing I like about SMS pool, if you purchase a number, now some of the number lasts for almost 24 hours. They last for 24 hours. So in case you use it now, maybe later you want to reuse that number, as long as you stay within 24 hours, you can still use the number. You can see. So you can also give it a try by checking out the site. Just follow what I just explained to you guys. Once you select the service you want to use it for, Then you come over here and click on quick purchase. Once you click on quick purchase, you can see they will assign the number for you. You can see the number here. Copy the number. You can see what they will charge you from your balance. Then in case you just want to cancel, you can click on refund, and as long as code has not arrived. But any time you purchase a number and a code is being sent to that number, automatically you cannot get a refund for that. Just take note of that one. So that's that about this. Now the next site I will be introducing to you guys is textverified.com. Now the textverified.com, they only sell US numbers. You can only get US number, and they have two type of number. They have the temporary number, and they have the ones you can buy for that one, the one that can last you for 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month, even 1 year. You understand? So now, once you need to sign up on this site also, once you click on the link I'll be leaving in the description of this video, click on the link and you sign up. Now once you sign up, you need to top up. This is how the interface looks like. So you come over here and click on top up. Just click on that place, and then you click on the balance icon. Understand? Just click on the balance icon. Once you click on the balance icon, this place here, just tap on it and it's going to take you here. Now you can see what I have deposited so far on this site. Now you click on purchase credits. Now before you proceed, before you come to this page, you can specify, like, let's say, okay, let me continue. Just click on purchase credit and purchase this thing. Now you can see, before you proceed, you can see they say if you are using card, the minimum is 2.5 up to $100. You understand? But if you are using any of this cryptocurrency, let's say I want to use Litecoin. Now if you are using Litecoin, you can see the minimum you can deposit is $5. So you can try your Nigerian bank. If you're from Nigeria or any country you are, you can try your card. If you have a dollar card, use it, you understand, to make deposit. But if you don't have a card, then the Litecoin option is the one you will go for. Select $5 if you want to deposit $5, then click on continue. The same thing. If you don't know how to do crypto transaction, I will leave the link, as I said earlier. I will leave the link on the description of this video so that you can go and watch it and learn how to do crypto transactions. Now once you click on the LTC, a message will pop up like this. Understand? So just read it. Just click on proceed anyway. Once you click on proceed anyways, then you can see, you can read through what they wrote here. Then you scroll down. Now you will be asked, this is the wallet address you'll be sending the money to. Then you will be asked to send exact amount. Make sure you copy the exact amount they ask you to pay. Copy it and paste it on the exchange. You understand? So once you are done with that, then once you are done, now it's time for you to purchase number. Now for you to purchase number, you just need to go back to the verifications. Now once you are on the verification page, you click on, now if you want to purchase temporary number, just tap on new SMS. Now once you tap on new SMS, you need to search for the service. Let's say you want to use it for PayPal. Understand? Now as you are searching, it will bring out the options here. You can see it here. Now you can even pin it in case of next time you want to make purchase. You can see what they sell PayPal number, temporary number, for 0.8. You understand? Then you select it. Now once you select the number, you can see they say no number available. So sometimes they don't have, sometimes they will tell you no number available. You understand? So that's why I'm showing you guys other options. You understand? Other sites you can get number from. You understand? So now, but if you want to rent a number that can last you for like 3 weeks and 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, you need to head over to this place, this 3 line by the top right corner of your screen, beside where your balance is showing. Then you click on rentals where they write rentals. Now once you click on rentals, you can see this is how the rentals interface looks like. Now you head over to this place here where they write new renter. You click on it. Now once you click on the new rentals, you can see I have some numbers I added to my list. So you can just search the number. Let's say you want to buy for PayPal. Understand? That's for US number, because this site only sells US number. Now they have two type of US number here. They have the one with you can use for SMS and voice. They have the one you can just receive only code. So that the choice is yours to make. So now I will now click on the one for SMS alone. And once you click on it, to show you, okay, now you can see for 3 days, if you are renting this number for 3 days, they will charge you $2.4. You can see the days here. If you are renting for 1 day, it's 1.9, 3 days 2.4, 7 days $3, 14 days $4, 30 days $4, 4.8, and so on and so forth. You can even rent it for 1 year. If you're renting for 1 year, it's $48 and above. You understand? So that's how to go about it. If you want to, once you select the one you want to purchase, the duration, then you click on continue. So once you continue, follow the prompt, and then your number will be assigned to you. Your number will be ready for use. Anytime you want to use it, you log into your app, your test verify site or app, and continue. Understand? So that's how to get. These are the 3 best sites I can recommend for you to get your non-VoIP numbers. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you guys on another video.